Guys, I came across this platform that pays people to listen to music. Not surveys, not Quest, and it is the actual music streams that is tracked on chain. And it also lets you pre-fund the IP rights like a real-world asset as an investor. And it surprised me enough that I had to dig in. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of BeatSwap. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So guys, the BTX ecosystem officially reached a major milestone with its token generation event that successfully completed last December 8th of 2025. Now, following that TGE, BTX is actually set to establish its market price immediately as the liquidity and the trading pairs go live. Now, with the listings that are going on major exchanges, guys, that is one of the main plans, and it's one of the most exciting plans that they have, in my honest opinion. So this is marking the beginning of open market discovery and that broader participation for the BTX token. So at the core of this ecosystem, guys, is BeatSwap. Now, it is a Web3 platform that is designed to transform the intellectual property rights and into the real-world assets. Now, it is built on the OP-BNB, and BeatSwap delivers that high scalability, and it supports that zero-fee listening events. And that is one thing that I am super looking forward to, guys, because that removes the friction for users while also enabling mass adoption of the project. So this platform is structured to connect the creators, the fans, as well as the investors within a decentralized IP rights economy. And while music is serving as its initial focus, BeatSwap is intentionally expanding beyond music to support that multiple forms of creative intellectual property, positioning itself as a multi-sector IP infrastructure. And I would also like to tell you guys to go ahead and include this in your own research. Head on over to their dashboard. Okay, you could click on different stuff right here. Okay, so this is the home. And I would encourage you to click on the dashboard as well. So you would see the RWA contributors. You also have that royalty bearing transactions. And this is the licensed RWA royalties. It is more than $2.5 million already. So head on over to this part of the page. I will also put that in the description of the video, guys. That way you can just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you directly to where you need to be. All right. So going back to their website, guys, BeatSwap is introducing a unique licensing to earn, or the L2E model. It actually rewards genuine engagement. So fans earn that IPL, or the licensing points as they call it, which are then converted into monthly BTX rewards through the natural actions, such as streaming, you have the likes, and the comments. So basically the engagements of the community, right? So every interaction is recorded on chain as an IP licensing metric through the integrated oracles and the SDKs. And that is ensuring the transparent and measurable contributions. Now, the rewards are distributed monthly based on the actual participation, not your usual speculation like other projects, right? Now, within the 24 hours of their launch, the platform has actually processed over 500,000 on-chain events. And that is demonstrating immediate demand. That is one thing that you would really love to see when you launch a project, right? And if that immediately happens, you know that you are in the right track. Now, complementing this is the Vault to Earn, or the V2E system, where the users are able to deposit assets like USDT into the vaults to free fund their future IP usage or participate in the RWA launchpads. Now, depositors receive that V2E rewards upfront, and when those balances are later used, they actually contribute to the L2E metrics. Now, monthly L2E allocations exceed the V2E by more than double, and it prioritizes real engagement over the passive capital. Now, of course, I want to make sure that you are also doing your own research. If you click on docs, it will take you directly here to this part of the website. If you click on this, it will take you to this document. I would encourage you to start doing your own research here because it has a ton of information that will be very, very helpful for you to get to know the project better, who they are, what they do, what are the things that stand out, and what are the benefits that you could get out of that one, right? So those type of details, you would be able to get that here. Now, if you want to earn from the music that you already listen to, and you want the early access, now is the time to check it out, guys. Explore the dashboards, try the L2E flow, and get familiar before BTX hits those exchanges. If you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.